Yo, Toe! What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. Y'all already see what we got going on in today's video. It's a beautiful day outside, man. Beautiful Sunday morning, man. Stay blessed, yo. But yeah, I thought I'd pick up the camera and give y'all boys a little video for y'all. Yo, I appreciate all the love and support y'all keep. You know what I'm saying? Y'all really showing love, man. Y'all really fuck with the kid, man. Y'all really fuck with the kid. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be dropping a video, y'all be in the comments talking about something, oh, I fuck with it, yada yada. Like, y'all be DMing me, like, oh, when's the next video dropping? Like, that's love, man. That's dead love. He dead can't drive. But yeah, nah, that's love. And I really appreciate y'all for that, man. But let's get into it, man. In today's video, right now, we about to go get some breakfast. Breakfast, most important meal of the day type shit. Hold on, let me throw this in a little M. Oh shit, almost fucking missed the gear there. But yeah. Woo! Come on, man. We was just doing so good, bro. What happened with this traffic, boy? Yeah, we about to get something to eat right now. Oh my god. They on it today, they on it. See where the vid takes us, man. We gonna see. On the road, on the shoulder, and another nigga say it's wrong. Oh my god, talk, fuck, emotional damage for real, boy. Damn, that was disgusting. It's a beautiful day out here, yo. It is a beautiful day out here. Another nigga city living wrong. Alright, we're gonna make a quick stop here and cross Basie. Do you homework gonna cross Basie? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta be careful over here. These roads will fucking take you out, muddy. Some of that unreleased bangers for y'all boys. Okay. Yes. I'm rubbing the clip with a G, she a genie. Yes. My order like Larry got green beans. That nigga like he sipping on green lean. Better off fucking with me. Your ex-boyfriend, he really a dweeb. Trapping, whoa. These niggas mad cause I'm I slime. Don't like niggas and downs. Ain't about $1, don't hit my line. If it's beef, bring it bright like Tetris. I'm a star, don't stay with the extras. You ain't tell you why would I check it. Do not disturb, but she still got the message. And that bitch, I know she a freak. She setting the drop, she plotting on me. Can't go like shh. You like somebody got a ticket. To the red, he fast on feet. And that shit is crazy to me. Why? Cause niggas be shady to me. Style, it's doing it blatantly. I get in my bag and this shit on the beach. She wanna be with the team, can't make up her mind, she really a treat. I put a bitch in Celine, I match my flower and go out to eat. STK, cause super the jeans. Brand new Benz is GLE. And they ain't fucking with me. That nigga a hater, he mad at me cause I know that he wanna be me. I wanna play cause I'm just wanna eat me. Yes. Like Max, she like Queenie. I'm rubbing the clip with a G, she a genie. My older like green beans. Nigga like me sipping on green lean. Better off fucking with me. Your ex-boyfriend, he really a dweeb. Nikki. Nasty. Fucking all gripping her ashy. Okay. Phoebe. Ashley. We had to do something in the back of the taxi. Susie. Sally. They shot on my nuts, said it tastes like taffy. It's a one-time thing, don't add me. I thought head go fin like Danny. Chill. That's all y'all getting. Do your homework on the unreleased ski. Oh, fuck. Don't listen to my brakes, man. It's just brake dust. Trust me, I promise y'all my brakes is good. Trust. It's just that brake dust, man. Do your homework on BMW brakes. The pads is shit. The rotors is even shittier. They did a terrible job with that design. But it ain't nothing though.
Alright, yeah. So I thought we'd park up, come outside, show y'all the car a little bit. How we do around here? Bro, y'all already know the spot we in. Sheesh. The boy do need a little wash though. He homework on brake dust. Not valid, not valid. Yeah. Probably throw the cam back on. I'm gonna definitely take some pictures. Maybe record a little reel. Post on the TikTok. Make sure y'all boys follow me on all social medias, man. I'm consistent on all social medias every day. But yeah, throw the head cam on. Catch this little vid, man. Let's do it. Damn, y'all. So it looks like we got a little bit of traffic heading back to the crib. Oh my god. A little bit of traffic, nothing too crazy. Yo, a little word out of advice for y'all boys though. Make sure y'all boys go down to y'all nearest BMW dealership and pick yourselves up one of them M's. Alright? Highest ARP. You know what I'm saying? Highest rate. You know what I'm saying? Get that nice high interest rate. You see what I'm saying? A little advice from Chef Boy. You know what I'm saying? So you could be having fun like this. You know what I'm saying? Fuck. It ain't nothing, man. It's just work. Nah, let me stop fucking around, yo. I was thinking about buying another camera too, boy, but I don't know. We see how that go. Oh my god, this road fucking hurts. Nigga, traffic on that side backed up like a fucking toilet, nigga. Oh my god. D-boys on that side. Heartbroken E5 on my chain. Gotta love boot season, fellas. You gotta love it. You gotta love it.
All the shots I'm sending. Dream my bro, he just caught a sentence. When he on the road, you know that's with him. Like pass the remote, then he get the clicking. Face shot, we caught us a victim. Ski masked up, so I fit the description. Me and Moody's too deep on the mission. What happened to shh? They know who did it. That's what happened when niggas be simping. Why you wifing on video vixens? I can see in my future I'm tripping. Treat these bitches like Larissa Pippen. Trying to help him, but bro ain't wanna listen. Now he getting caught by the niggas he dissing. Cause you rapping a life you ain't living, but he want a front pillow talking to bitches. Tell that nigga to put on a skirt, or better yet go do the dishes. Like you better stay in the kitchen. I had love for the kid, but these niggas be switching. Like you ain't my mans cause you wasn't with it. Like you wasn't handling business. And my slides got glass with switches. Triple course game for bodies and dishes. I got good walk in my system, I've been geeking. And my lineup starting to look like All-Star Weekend. My bitches all up on my body, rain secrets. We already know she a hoe, but I'd rather call her a slut when I hit from the back when I thumb in her butt. Off of a 30, she gave me a rush. I'm dropping a 4 in a pineapple crush. Busting up, fall asleep with the drugs. It's like she mad, I ain't giving her love. 555 all the shots I'm sending. Free my bro, he just caught a sentence. When he on the road, you know that's with him. Like pass the remote, then he get the clicking. The face shadow, we caught us a victim. Ski masked up, so I fit the description. Me and Moody's too deep on the mission. What happened to they know who did it. That's what happened when niggas be simping. Why you wifing a video vixen? I can see in my future I'm tripping. Treat these bitches like Larissa Pippen. Try to help him, but bro ain't wanna listen. Now he getting caught by the niggas he dissing. Cause you rapping a life you ain't living, but he wanna front pillow talking to bitches.
Look, get the fuck out the wheel, we step in the party. Just some downtown, see how it's hard. Just know it's a problem, I've been in with cars. They want to app and niggas say sorry. Shit, she says, know the voice, so at least I'm stepping in. Look, sunset to a lead when I'm up in the street. This bitch is much trying to get up on my beat. That G-Star bang, put niggas to sleep. She stole me for weird, she did out. She stole me for weird, she did that out. Pee them, go out the wind, blow me off like a leaf. Heart start pumping, you hear SCE. I'm down in the app, make him take up his ski. See the showers, I make him pick up his feet. ZAH, I'm out in the beat. She a little small, but it's not what it seems. Thinking I'm out crib trying to get her jeans. Never alone, I'm a normal AP. Like, Bill, yeah, I'm like, babe, what you want? Start pissing me off, she ain't answer her phone. I'm a girl, that's me, I know shit on my own. Shorty a door trying to look at my bones. Outside, been a blouse, so I'll turn off my low. Flicking and flicking, you and your bro. Nigga must be dumped out, I ain't had a pull. A 4-way trip, I'll trip in the store, checking down the app. Where the fuck did he go? Jesus, drugs with my bros. You worry about money, the fame, and the clothes. Your body don't trick, cause I wish she a hoe. Pennywise, I make a fuck nigga float. Bullets collapse and making them fall. Niggas know how I get on the back box. She did to me like some crack rock. Phone boy talk off the laptop. Nigga froze with a thirsty sap. And I better roll, pull it up, boy, not cap lock. SCE be my brothers, I'm putting them on. Took a hot and niggas get drawn. This nigga but me keep paying with coins. Shit seem more, you can't play with the boys. You a little kid, nigga sit to the toys. Shut up the muscle, no, I'm not talk to. That bitch, I'm trying to grip on front you. Don't know what door locking my gun to. I keep getting paid, so I keep it a wumble. But the boy took shot, I'm a dust you. Chill out, nigga, the boss stay humble. Ain't he the demon, he really go slump you.
I did what I was supposed to.
Out of them rainy days, I'm hoping these drugs take the pain away. Losing the bros, I don't feel the same. They ask if I'm good, no, I'm not okay, but we all hurting. Yeah, I know that, doing attention, I just want the bros. Like, suck my dick, tell them niggas hold that. Give them my everything, I gave a whole lot. But that's no more, can't give my energy to any hole. Rest of the times, we was playing ball, we was playing four. Now we all like, whoa, get off my ass, no time for no horsing. No sunny days, they ain't been pouring. Grew apart from some of the bros, but used to have fun, but now shit boring. Like, now I'm getting money, I don't need distractions. Like, girl, I don't know if we lasting. I'm on that time again with the rapping. Trying to get rich, I'll hit you when that happens. I don't need nobody in the way, cause I'm busy running up these backends. You had a long day, know you exhausted. Come home, then I break your back end. Like, kill it like assassins. For you, you know I let it spark. 4-4 bulldog on me a buck, cause you know I wouldn't play with your heart. Tell me what's up, don't leave me in the dark. You know that I'm there whenever times get hard. Mentally scarred, so I'm staying on guard. Like, gotta watch them sleep in the yard. You gotta watch you calling your homie. Niggas face off, moving my dolly. Like, get shot just for being nosy. Need a milli, can't be saying cozy. Spending a block, ring around the rosy. All you saying my name, you don't know me. Claim you locked in, but you don't post me. That's the definition of a phony. Give me all your love, I don't want a little. Like, I don't ask for much, I'm simple. Fuck love, I'd rather be single. Like, and I pay attention, I be simple. Bro throw 3, I throw triple. In the streets, gotta walk with your pistol. I speak louder than words. If you want my trust, then you gotta show you official. Tired of them rainy days, I'm hoping these drugs take the pain away.